AI tools have become prevalent in a lot of industries. I believe that AI will significantly contribute to predictive maintenance. I think in the past, a lot of AI algorithms were being run on data that was not necessarily granular in nature. As we get more granular data, we can point the AI towards identifying more specific faults. And I believe, furthermore, the amount of data that's out there, in order to be efficiently mined and create value for customers, you need some type of AI system to keep track of all the information.